guys, so we're up here at Fuji-Q Highland. We're about to ride Do-Dodonpa. This is the world's fastest acceleration of any roller coaster. Bye! Alright guys, so we're here at Fuji-Q Highland riding the brand new redesigned Do-Dodonpa with the loop-de-loop. I will tell you that this ride still scares the bejesus out of me. Ah, crap, this launch tunnel. Kind of like the new beats going on. Doon, doon, dun, doon, doon, dun. Come on, everyone, sing with us. Doon, doon, dun, doon, doon, dun. Yeah. Oh, they're saying some crazy stuff. Here we go, guys. Freak out with me. Comment if you want to ride, because we know you do. Doon, doon, da.
Launch time!
Ah, crap!
3, 2, 1,
Holy crapola! Woohoo! Oh, this ride is awesome! Oh, whee! Tunnel! Here it comes! Big ass loop-de-loop! Woohoo! Oh! That was freaking rad! Woo! Oh my god! I freaking... Loudest brakes ever! Remember, comment below if you want to ride, because we know you want to ride! Alright guys, here we go. We're about to launch to some crazy ass speeds here on Do-Dodonpa at Fuji-Q Highland. Alright, are you guys ready to ride? Let's do this. Oh crap. You come around the corner and you see that launch tunnel and it kind of freaks me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I can't promise that this launch will be smooth. When you go 0 to a bajillion miles an hour in like 1.8 seconds. Ah, crap. I love this. Crap. It's launch time, I think. Here we go. Head back. Launch time.
launch time!
Oh, crap. Here we go.
1.
I almost lost it there for a second, but I did it! I'm already losing my voice! Woo! That kicked some serious freaking ass! Oh my god! Woo! Oh! That, my friends, is Do-Dodonpa at Fuji-Q Highland, the world's fastest acceleration of any roller coaster.